In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated birthday campaign using Mailchimp. This method is a fantastic way to make your subscribers feel special on their birthdays. And it's all automated, meaning once you set it up, it runs by itself every year. So let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is create a birthday automation. Start by navigating to the Automations tab in your Mailchimp dashboard. Once there, click on All Journeys and select the option to build from scratch. This is where you'll set up your custom automation. Now, the next step is to choose a starting point for your automation. You'll want to select birthday here. This ensures that your automation is triggered specifically for a birthday event. Once you've selected birthday, you need to decide when the email will trigger. You can either have it sent on the contact's birthday or, if you prefer, a few days before. This flexibility allows you to tailor the experience depending on whether you want the email to be a surprise on the day itself or a little reminder beforehand. With that set, you need to specify the date field associated with the birthday. Simply choose the birthday option from the list of date fields in your audience data. This aligns your campaign to work seamlessly with your existing contact information. Next, you'll add an email step in your automation. Choose Send Email and then proceed to customize the email subject, content, and design. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor makes this process intuitive and creative. You can alter the layout, colors, fonts, and more to match your brand or the celebratory theme of your campaign. It's crucial to personalize the message to make it truly special. Mailchimp allows you to use merge tags such as name to include the recipient's first name in the email. An example might be Happy Birthday, recipient's first name. This personal touch can make your subscriber feel included and appreciated. Now, let's talk about designing your birthday email. You have a variety of templates to choose from, whether it's selecting one of Mailchimp's free templates or creating your own from scratch. Employ festive visuals to add excitement to the email, such as birthday-themed images, GIFs, or even a personalized video if possible. To sweeten the deal, consider offering a gift or discount with your email. A unique coupon code or freebie can go a long way in celebrating your subscribers' special day and in fostering loyalty to your brand. Moving on to the final step, setting up the email timing and delivery is crucial. Early morning send times typically yield the best engagement results, so keep that in mind. Before sending, use the preview and test option to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied with how your email looks and when it will send, it's time to start the automation. Simply click Turn On to activate your birthday campaign. And there you have it, your automated birthday campaign with Mailchimp is now up and running, ready to make your subscribers' birthdays a little bit brighter.